how to add link to your TikTok bio. So today guys, it is a simple video and very fast. So for more videos like this, hit subscribe and click that notification bell button on for more videos like this. So what we're going to do is go to the Play Store and search for TikTok on Play Store, and we would see if there are updates available on our TikTok. As you can see here, there are updates available, so just simply click on updates for the TikTok to be updated. After updating, go back to TikTok and I will show you how to add the link to your bio. First is go to your profile and go to the option edit profile, and you can see here a bio, and just click or paste a link of your choice here and click on save, and you will be done for this tutorial. And as you can see here, there is now a link to your bio. So I hope this tutorial helps, and see you on the next video.